Hi friends, let's welcome to the DB ERP demo. After login, you will see the list of companies here. Select your companies when you have to work. Being a super admin, you will have a manage user password over here. But since this is not a super admin password, you will have only the uh, other company settings. We have multiple branches, multiple verticals, then various setup is given which admin can set it right. Multiple branches with multiple GSC numbers, then multiple verticals. Given the rights, this navigation panel is shown to the user. User can perform their activities, adding masters, editing masters, about leisure, customer, vendor, employee, product, services, asset, godown. We have multiple godowns, multiple processors, multiple locator facility. Then import the opening balance to start the work, and then import data, transactions about leisure, customers, vendors, opening balance, and other transactions. And then accounting can be done by accountants independently, invoices, retail invoice. Then we have receipts, payments, journal, contra, debit note, credit note. We can do, accountant can do reconciliation or ledger reconciliation, then bank upload for the auto reconciliation. We have full supply chain management over here. It starts from the lead management, leads converting to inquiry, convert to inquiry, inquiry converting to order. The user can add the comments over here to see in the future that what sort of comments is given by the customers. Follow-up comments. Inquiry gets converted into quotation, quotation gets converted into orders. Finally, orders can be handled by the commercial team. You can add the prospectus over here. Prospectus. Then commercial person can, after getting the order, they can accept the order, then issue the work order, create dispatch advices, update additional fields if any decided by the management, then issue work order, create sales bill after the dispatches are done. Then we have purchase process management that includes the purchase request based on the production requirement. Then we have purchase order. Purchase team can create the purchase order and then track the deliveries, GRNs, SRNs, and book the bills based on the GRN and SRN received. Then we have the production module wherein the picture is there, indent, then production, then dispatch. In DB, we give a set of standard reports of accounting, GST returns, TDS, expense and purchase, stock, receivable aging, payable aging, etc. We have one more module. This is about task management. Given the rights, task lists are given. You can create task and assign to somebody and add multiple vouchers over here. Then there is a to-do list and task board where you can see the status of any task is going on. You can see the comments. Any voucher and user can pass a comment over here, which comments are seen over here. That's how we have a unique stock report wherein you can set your report based on what you need. The columns are user defined. You can set your columns. Stocks are divided into godowns and processes. We have certain we can do customization also. It's like we have customized a screen for the processes for a metal industry. This is how DBERP is committed towards the improvement of the system in-house processes. We may add number of dashboards over here based on the requirements of the company. Thank you.